anyone, remember it is a holy encounter. As you see him, you will see yourself. As you treat him, you will treat yourself. As you think of him, you will think of yourself. Never forget this. Think with God. Perceive with the Holy Spirit. And experience the wholeness of forgiveness. It is not form you seek. What form can be a substitute for God, the Father's love? Behind the search for every idol lies the yearning for completion. Wholeness has no form because it is unlimited. To seek a special person or thing to add to you, to make yourself complete, can only mean that you believe some form is missing. But it never is the idol that you want. Your will to be complete is but God's will. Whenever two sons of God meet, they are given another chance at salvation. Do not leave anyone without giving salvation to him and receiving it yourself. For I am always there with you, in remembrance of you. Change, but your thoughts and your whole perception of the world is changed. I am as God created me. My mind holds only what I think with God. Think with God. Perceive with the Holy Spirit. Experience the wholeness of forgiveness. thanks to God for creating all as one. Holy encounter, holy relationship. Only one remains. Only one remains.